Good afternoon, or rather good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Andy Davies from Trig Avionics, and I'm really thrilled to be here today because we have some great new products to talk to you about. The first one that I want to talk about is our brand new panel mount Mark width VHF com radio. The T96 and T97 radios are super slim, just 1.3 inches high. They have 8.33 kilohertz and 25 kilohertz compatibility for both Europe and the US. They have a user-programmable database that lets the pilot set up his favorite frequencies by airport identifier, facility, and then search through them. And also, for people who are installing this radio into a light sport aircraft or a smaller training aircraft, they can be used without an audio panel because the thing includes a complete stereo intercom, including a music feature and all of the kinds of accessories that people come to expect. Particularly for those training markets and the light sport guys, we also included two innovative features. First of all, there is a Say Again button. Press the button and the previous transmission from air traffic control is replayed over the headphones. There's also a one-touch emergency button which switches the radio to 1215 and sets it up in such a way that the student pilot is unlikely to be able to fail to communicate. The radio comes in two versions. The standard version, the T196, is a 10-watt radio. It's also available in a higher power version, the T97, which is a full 16-watt radio and therefore can be used in higher performance and higher altitude airplanes. Radios are not all we want to talk about. The next product that I want to talk about today is our new audio panels. Trig is introducing two new audio panels this year. The first is the TMA45. It's our higher end solution. It includes up to a 6-place intercom. It includes digital noise reduction and an active mute system to cut down the noise. And it includes a full stereo music system or telephone system using Bluetooth connectivity, or a direct wired connection is also available. It has a very straightforward switch interface and has a built-in marker beacon receiver. In common with a lot of products in this class, it is plug-and-play compatible with the GMA 340 mounting chassis. For more cost-sensitive applications, it has a baby brother, the TMA44. The TMA44 loses some of the additional entertainment features. It's a mono-only system, but has the same easy-to-use interface, the same switchology, and you can still connect music. You're just stuck with being in glorious monophonic. It has a simpler 44-pin connector and is ideal for retrofit solutions. It also includes a marker beacon receiver. All of these products are shipping later in 2015. I put some pricing up here. The T197, that's the 16-watt radio, will list for $3,800. The T196, the 10-watt radio, lists for around the $3,000 mark. The audio panels, the high-end one, lists for $2,100, and the simpler one lists for $1,200. We have a booth downstairs, booth 717. We'd love you to come down and look at these products. I should say I must have not got the memo about ADS-B. I'm sure that you all know that Trig is one of the leading providers of ADS-B equipment. If you want to come and look at some of that, we've got that on the booth as well. And we have a training session today at 3 p.m. and another one on Saturday at 10 a.m. where we'll be talking about all of these products. Thank you very much.
Aero-News Network's coverage of the 58th Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show, live from Dallas, Texas, is brought to you in part by the following sponsors.
HeliSAS from Genesis Aerosystems is the FAA-certified, cost-effective, and reliable stability augmentation system and 2-axis autopilot for light to medium helicopters. HeliSAS offers significant safety-enhancing benefits and still weighs less than 12 pounds. Visit www.genesis-aerosystems.com.
An interactive Links application is available in the Apple and Android app stores. This free app is a virtual simulation of the Lynx NGT 9000 touchscreen cockpit display that lets pilots interact with the unit as if they had a real system in their hands. The app covers the entire Lynx family of ADS-B products, including features and options to help customers decide which Lynx model is right for their needs.